boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage, yeah.
Welcome to Bundle of Free. This is yours truly, Brittney. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my 4C black hair to golden blonde. Yes. So I am going to be parting it and detangling it. And then, as you can see there, I'm detangling and then I'm going to braid it. So as you guys can see, I am almost done with the braids. Actually, I am done. And that is the color that I'm going to attempt to get. So hopefully it turns out that color. And that little white bottle is my mixture. I'm shaking up the mixture and all that stuff. And then I am going to apply it onto the hair. So continue watching. Do not forget to put your gloves on, because all them chemicals going under your nails, nah, we not with it. Also, it will stain. So, like I said, do not forget to put your gloves. As you can see, I'm trying to get it on every strip. Let's say every strand of hair, I'm trying to get it on. But we'll see how it comes out at the end. By the way, I am not a beautician. So if you guys know any techniques, any other ways that I can dye my hair, please comment. Let me know. Because I'm thinking about dyeing my hair again. Not now, of course, so I don't damage it. But like, give it a while. I'm thinking about dyeing it another color. So your comments would help so gratefully. As you can see, it's starting to light up. But one side is lighter than the other. I'm not really feeling that at all. So now I'm just massaging it in. That part on my left side did not want to lighten up. I swear it did not want to cooperate at all. And I was running out of dye. So I didn't know what to do. But luckily I called my friend and she helped me. She told me what to do over the phone. And that's why my results came out okay. So as you can see, we are improvising right now. I did not have a plastic cap, so we took a plastic bag. I'm gonna let it sit for 45 minutes. And while I'm gonna let it sit, I'm gonna call my friend. And hopefully she has some good news for me. And she did. This was after I left it in for 45 minutes. The gold looks pretty good. Also, I did not record when I washed it, but I washed it and I used the conditioner that they provided. Hello guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. As you guys saw in the previous clips, I was dyeing my hair. I was using a Dark and Lovely, the golden blonde color. That's how I got it this color. I did not bleach. Do not think I bleached my hair. I didn't. But, I mean, there's a little bit of bleach, just a tad bit. But, not all that. So, sis, as you already know, my hair is 4C. 4C, thick hair, thick nappy hair, and my hair is black. When I tell you 1B black, but in the previous clips, the ends were not black. The ends were a little, I could say dark brown, because I had dyed my hair a while ago. And of course, the black got, like, it grew out black, and then the ends just stayed brown. So, yes. That's what I did. I showed y'all how I did it. I showed y'all how I put the dye, how I made my mixture. If y'all didn't really see it, let me explain it to you. The box, this is the box. This is the color I was attempting for. With my 4C thick hair, I have so much hair, sis. Let me tell you. I had to buy 2 boxes. Not one, but 2 boxes. And thankfully, they were not that much. But both of them came out to like $12. And then, yeah, so I showed you how I dyed it. Once you are done dyeing it, baby girl, leave it in your hair for, you can leave it for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes. The paper tells you, oh, and it comes with this, something like a little instruction guide and stuff like that. But the paper tells you 20 minutes, leave it for 20 minutes. It depends on your hair type and all that stuff. But me, I left it in for 45 minutes because my hair is black. My hair was black, honey. My hair is 1B, black. The ends were brown. I'm sorry. The ends was dark brown. So, yeah. But I bet y'all didn't think my hair would have came as light as this. I bet y'all ain't think my hair was gonna be as light as this. But yeah, so that's how I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, one more thing, I almost forgot. In the box there's a conditioner. Do not forget to use that conditioner. You can wash your hair with your own little shampoo, your own little conditioner, but also use theirs too. You understand? Use theirs, and then once you are done washing your hair, conditioning, all that stuff, when you come out the shower, please, baby girl, do not forget to moisturize. And that's why I have these little white spots right there, because I moisturize with Mega Growth. It's like a hair mayonnaise type thing. Hair lotion, yeah. So I like I said, I moisturize with that, and plus that too, I had this Jamaican black castor oil. Put that all in, massage it in, baby girl, you will be straight. And so yes, after this, in another video, you will see how I do bantu knots. So please stay tuned. Yes, it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna show y'all the gel I use and everything, because my hair is thick, and people with the same hair texture I do, they probably have trouble looking for the right gel to use. Baby girl, I'm gonna let y'all know which gel I use in the next video. So stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Parti mieux pas t'apprendre, on vous poser question. Dans la commune, on va entrer sans prendre précaution. Mal arrivé au kounya, petit, faut courir. Avant tes bombardements, des kounya, m'attend des blancs. Kounya, c'est plus ou moins, sorti pour perdre, t'es tout. Tomber dans le marché, tout partout. Ou tourner manger, louga.